Imagine a wall of ice, hundreds of meters high, stretching endlessly around the edge of our world. A glacier so vast it appears to block the ocean, to guard what lies beyond. What if we told you some believe that wall is real, and that it stands between us and another realm? A hidden world beyond the edge of the Earth? Welcome to Lore Echo. Today we dive into one of the most bewildering and persistent mysteries of our time, the ice wall theory. The idea of a wall of ice at the edge of the world isn't new. In the 19th century, early flat Earth theorists proposed that Earth was a flat disk with the North Pole at its center, and Antarctica forming a massive ice wall around the rim. According to this model, the oceans are contained by this icy barrier. The sun and moon circle above the disk, and beyond the wall lies either emptiness or a mysterious unexplored land. Even before modern flat Earth debates, explorers in the 18th and 19th centuries reported seeing enormous ice cliffs at the edge of Antarctica. Captain James Clark Ross described the Ross Ice Shelf as the Great Barrier, a name that fueled public imagination. Over time, these real ice shelves merged with myth, and the legend of an ice wall guarding the ends of the Earth was born. Now let's look at what science actually tells us. Antarctica is real, a vast frozen continent surrounded by thick ice shelves. The giant cliffs and frozen ridges explorers described are natural glacial formations, not mystical walls. An ice shelf is a floating platform of ice that forms where glaciers meet the sea. These shelves can be hundreds of meters thick, constantly moving and reshaping with the seasons. To scientists, these cliffs aren't barriers. They're dynamic features, studied by glaciologists and climate researchers. If the Earth truly were flat with an enormous ice wall around its edge, there would be consistent photographic, geological, and navigational evidence to support it. But there isn't. So why does this idea persist? Here's where the story turns mysterious. Some believers claim that beyond this ice wall lies a hidden world, vast continents untouched by humanity, or even alternate realities. According to these theories, governments and space agencies are secretly guarding this barrier to prevent anyone from crossing it. Videos and photos online claim to show planes being turned away, ships vanishing near Antarctica, or blurry objects hidden by clouds on satellite maps. But despite countless expeditions, no explorer has ever reported reaching a physical edge. The Antarctic Treaty allows research, but bans private militarization, which conspiracists interpret as proof of a cover-up. Skeptics argue that this secrecy is just practical protection of fragile ecosystems, not evidence of a cosmic gatekeeping operation. Yet for many, the ice wall represents something deeper, a frontier humanity isn't supposed to cross, a literal barrier between our known world and the unknown. So what does the evidence say? Satellite imagery, global navigation, and physics all point to a spherical Earth. The curvature of the planet has been measured countless times. Airline routes, GPS signals, and weather systems all depend on the globe model, not a flat plane. Photos used as proof of the ice wall usually show the Ross Ice Shelf or other Antarctic cliffs. Real formations, but not endless barriers encircling the planet. Expeditions by curious adventurers and even flat Earth believers have gone to Antarctica, expecting to find proof of the wall. But what they discovered instead were miles of shifting ice, scientific stations, and the vast, cold beauty of a very real continent. In short, there is no verifiable evidence of a wall that encircles the world or hides another civilization. But the myth refuses to die. Why does this idea still captivate millions? Partly because Antarctica is so remote, so untouched, and so visually striking. Its endless white landscape feels alien, like the edge of another realm. But deeper than that, the ice wall theory appeals to something primal. Humanity's need to believe there's more beyond the horizon. The notion that somewhere out there lies a secret world, one that powerful forces don't want us to see. In the age of the internet, such ideas spread fast. Conspiracy theories blend with pseudoscience, ancient myths, and spiritual speculation. People crave mystery in an age of information. The ice wall is not just a physical idea. It's a metaphor for the limits of our understanding. Maybe that's why the theory endures. It reminds us that no matter how far we've come scientifically, we're still drawn to the edges of the unknown. So, what should we believe? Is the ice wall simply a dramatic misunderstanding of Antarctica's glaciers? Or could there be something more? A hidden realm beyond that shimmering white edge? Perhaps the real mystery isn't what lies beyond the wall, but why we keep looking for one. What do you think? Could there be more beyond our frozen horizons? Or is this just another myth born from curiosity and fear? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Lore Echo for more true mysteries, ancient enigmas, and hidden corners of our world. Until next time, keep questioning the edge of reality.